about a few things, I would say. Yesterday I didn't film much because it was just a short ride to a small, how should I call that? Along the highway, more or less. But we made quite a bit of altitude, so at the moment we're at 2,200 meters above sea level. And yeah, I would say we have different issues. So yesterday it felt like the Puch really didn't have a lot of power. She was really struggling to get up the tiniest hills, or even just starting like accelerating from a standstill was really hard. So yeah, I'm really unsure what's causing that. Fuck me. Okay. Fuck. I hope that's not the... Oh yes. I think I found the problem. I came to the gas station right now, tried turning it off, it wouldn't turn off. And but also it wouldn't start revving up. I have suspected that it's an electrical problem, so that my relay for turning off the bike is basically gone, destroyed. Well, turns out that probably was it. Hola. ¿Tienes una sí, habitación o un persona?
780.
7.
80.
Okay. bone noche?
Sí.
Sí, okay. Okay, we have our first actual casualty of the trip. I am very certain the relay is gone in here, and I just went and bought a new one, and it's important that it's one power going through the relay. It should connect to nothing, so I need it to be connected when there's no power going into it. So when I pull the key out, then it should connect to ground, and that way it turns the engine off. Yeah, and that one doesn't work anymore, so my engine just keeps running, which isn't good. Yep. So let's go and change that, I guess. Exchange complete. Will it turn on and off again? We will see shortly.
Perfect.
¿Compraba un ticket o...?
Sí, ahorita se lo cobran allá adelante cuando vaya pasando.
Ah, a ver.
No, aquí el que está allá parado. Ahorita le cobran allá cuando vaya a pasar allá.
Ah, ok.
Le cobran 68 pesos. Tampoco esto es lo que corre. Este es lo que corre 140.
No, es el máximo.
Máximo,
Sí.
¿Desde dónde viene? ¿Desde dónde viene?
¿De dónde? ¿De Austria?
En la moto.
Sí.
Ya van a pasar ya.
Sí, gracias. Hola.
Hola. ¿De dónde vienes, amigo?
¿De dónde?
Sí.
De Austria.
¿En moto?
Sí.
Muy largo el camino.
Sí.
Pásale, no te voy a cobrar. Pásale.
¿No?
No,
Ok.
pásale.
Gracias, muchas
Ándale.
gracias.
Nomás no pares, no te detengas en el interior.
Sí.
Pásale
Sí,
derecho.
ok. Ja. Huh. Welcome to Real de Catorce. Over there is an old mine. I'm in a, I don't know, it's like a ruin of an old mine part. Like this was a big silver mining town back in the days, and now it's kind of just abandoned. And down there, that's the part of town that's still inhabited, but it's mostly a tourist town. A lot of it is abandoned, and the rest are hotels, small shops. There's not a lot of people living up here. I think at one point there were 15,000 people here when they were mining silver in the mountains, but now it's a lot less. But yeah, still an interesting place. And yeah, just hiked up here a bit, and it's interesting. And I think I'm going back down again now. But yeah, that mine shaft is deep. It's really deep. But I didn't throw any stones in it. Because under us there's a tunnel which I came through today. And I don't know if that's connected to the tunnel. I don't want stones falling on anyone. But yeah, there's like a 2-kilometer tunnel that's built by enlarging an old existing mine tunnel into a traffic tunnel, but it's still a very small tunnel. Yeah, Nice. Oh, there's even more. So that's probably one of the mine buildings that was out here. Yeah. But it's an interesting building. It's like this circular shape. Yeah. That's Real de Catorce. Or Catorce, I don't know how exactly you pronounce it. And yeah. Today I came through the tunnel, and tomorrow I'm going down through the valley here. Yeah. Alright. Well, that was nice to see. Nice to see.